Time for the word on Wall Street. Top investors watching your money this morning. Joining me now, the Fitzgerald Group principal, Keith Fitzgerald, Amerivet Securities head of U.S. rates, Greg Farinello, and Walser Wealth Management president, Rebecca Walser. Rebecca, futures are inching higher this morning as investors are waiting for the Federal Reserve's expected interest rate increase, 0.5%, 50 basis points. And you say that the Federal Reserve raising rates, you're expecting the market will come down further. Tell me more about that.
Yeah, I mean, Dagan, as you know, everyone knows here, once we get a 50 basis point hike, which hasn't happened for 22 years, we're still going to be at a 75 to 1% federal funds rate, and we know we want to end the year at 3. So this market has probably priced in this today. I expect the market is not going to react negatively unless Powell says something that is a little bit shocking. But you know, we are looking for aggressive actions to get us to 3%, and that is not going to be liked by the market. I agree with Keith. You know, 70% of our companies beating. It shows that we still have strong fundamentals. However, I think that what rules 2022 is macroeconomics. It's all about the global geopolitical and the central banking system. And what are they doing globally to deal with the $30 trillion of currency that they printed to keep us away from a depression, really, from Corona? Now we're dealing with that impact. And so 2022 is all about the macro pricing, not the micro for me.
Would you, in terms of, before we go, you get 3% on a yield on the 10-year. Is that a good buying opportunity?
Well, you know, Dana, I think it depends on the investor's time frame, right? Because, you know, you have to hold that for 10 years. And as rates go up, we know that yield is actually going to be depressed. So I would maybe caution to wait a little bit longer, because if we do have a 75 basis point raise even next month, you're going to get a higher return. So why would you buy in May, which you could defer to June? So I think that's what people have to look at is, you know, people that are going to buy in May aren't going to be happy if they could have bought at the end of the year and get a much better yield. And it was just a short delay. So we really have to understand where this Fed is really going to go. Are they going to stick to dealing with inflation, or are they going to kowtow and try to go for a soft landing, which really hasn't worked? And it really means that we're going to just go this back and forth like, OK, the market's doing good. Oh, no, we got to pull back. We got to run off the balance sheet. So now the market comes back down. They have to make a decision. Which way are they going to go? Because the market is not going to like going to 3%. And we all know that.
Thank you so much, Rebecca. Rebecca Walser, Gregory Farinello, both of you. Thank you so much for being here. Keith, you sit right there. You're with us all morning long.